Active Vehicle Hold, or AVH, is a safety feature in many Subaru vehicles designed to prevent unintended rolling, especially on hills. When you stop on an incline, AVH automatically engages the brakes, holding the car in place even after you release the brake pedal. It disengages when you accelerate. This feature enhances braking stability and is particularly useful in urban driving, parking on slopes, or navigating hilly terrain. Think of it as electronic hill hold assist, now integrated with Subaru's vehicle dynamics control and eyesight systems. Using AVH is straightforward. First, come to a complete stop on the slope using the brake pedal while in drive for automatic transmissions. Then slowly release the brake pedal. AVH will automatically activate, often indicated by a dashboard light. To proceed, gently press the accelerator pedal. Some models have a button to manually toggle AVH on or off, which is useful in low traction conditions. Do not use AVH on extremely steep slopes without also engaging the parking brake as a backup. Make sure to consult the owner's manual for your specific model, as operation nuances may exist.